students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Madhu. So my YouTube channel is Science Maths Academy 2023. In this YouTube channel you will get everything about class 10th math science. So tricky methods, old question papers will be solved, new question papers, new model papers will be solved. So everything will be get in only one channel. So please like my videos, share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. Any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. We are going to continue the electricity previous year question paper key answers. Observe the given circuit diagram, that is 28th question. Calculate the total resistance and the total current that flowing through the circuit ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 3 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗಳಿವೆ. 4 ಓಮ್ and 12 ಓಮ್ resistors are connected in parallel, and 5 ohm is connected in series with these two. 4 ohm 12 ohm parallel with series with 5 ohm, and it is connected to a 24 volts battery. Now we have to calculate total resistance as well as the total current. So ಒಂದು total resistance find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು total current. So now let us make a list. R1 5 ohm, R2 4 ohm, R3 12 ohm voltage is equal to 24 volts. So now let us make a list. R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 is equal to 4 ohm, and R3 is equal to 12 ohm. Then voltage is given as V is equal to 24 volts. So now let us calculate what is first you nodkolona. These two are connected in parallel, therefore find the total resistance when they are connected in parallel. 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R2 andre 4 plus 1 over R3 andre 12. So 1 over Rp is equal to LCM for 4 and 12 is 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 12 ಗೆ LCM ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So the LCM will be 2 2s 2 6s 2 1s 2 3s then 3 1s 2 2s 4 4 3s 12 is the LCM. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4 1s ಆದಲ್ಲಿ 12 3s 12 1s ಆದಲ್ಲಿ 1s. So 1 over Rp is equal to, so how much it will become? 4 by 12. 4 1s 4 3s. Reciprocal is Rp, reciprocal is 3 ohm. So when 4 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are connected in parallel, the total resistance will be 3 ohm, and these two total resistance will become 3 ohm, and these 3 ohm is connected in series with the 5 ohm. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. RS is equal to R1 plus RP. So total resistance is equal to R1 ಅಂದರೆ 5, RP ಅಂದರೆ 3. So total resistance is equal to 5 plus 3 which is equal to 8 ohm. So total resistance 8 ohm ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 8 ohm. Now we have to calculate the total current. So V is equal to 24 ohms. Then R is equal to 8 ohm. Then V is equal to 24 volts. Then R is equal to 8 ohm and I is equal to question mark. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to V andre 24 by R andre 8. 8 1s 8 3s. Therefore the total current of the circuit is equal to 3 ampere. So resistance is 8 ohm and current is 3 ampere. So now let us move for the next question. That is, what is the meaning of the statement the potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt? So now let us answer this question. The meaning of let us answer for 29th question. So what is the meaning of 1 volt ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯಾನೆ. 1 volt ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 joule of work is done. 1 joule of work is done. 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 ಕೂಲೂಂಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ. 1 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಜೌಲಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೆಸಿದಾಗ 1 ಕೂಲೂಂಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ತಂದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 1 ಕೂಲೂಂಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ a 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another point, we have to do 1 joule of work, then the voltage is said to be 1 volt. So this is the meaning of 1 volt. Next, name the device used to measure electric potential difference anta kelidare. So potential difference is measured by using an instrument or a device called voltmeter. Next, what is the resistance of a conductor? So resistance of a conductor is defined as the opposition offered for the flow of current. The opposition offered for the flow of current is called as resistance. Then what is electric power? So electric power andre enu anta kottidare. So electric power is defined as, let us define what is the definition of electric power. So electric power is defined as the rate of consumption of electric energy. The rate of consumption of electrical energy is called as electric power. Next, write the 3 formula used to find it. The 3 formula used to find it is, the first one is P is equal to V into I. Second one is P is equal to I square R. Third one is P is equal to V square by R. So these are the 3 formula to find out the electric power. Now let us move for the next 30th question. A device used to change the resistance in an electric circuit is a meter, rheostat, galvanometer, voltmeter. So the right answer for this question is option B. For 30th question, the right answer is option B, that is rheostat. So rheostat is a device used to increase or decrease the resistance. Then 31st, the resistance of a conductor does not depend upon. It depends on length of the conductor, area of cross section and nature of material, but it will not depend upon magnetic nature. Therefore the right answer for 31st is option C, magnetic nature. The right answer is magnetic nature. Now let us move for 32nd question, that is watt is an SI unit of dash, electric current, electric charge, electric potential difference, electric power. The right answer is electric power. So option D, that is electric power. So electric power is the right answer. Now let us move for 33rd question. So in the 33rd question they have given one table. So observe the given table. ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುವು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದರ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಪೂರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಯಾರ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಈ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1.62 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ 4. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ 33rd ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್. ಎಲ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಲಿನ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ 34th question. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistor are connected in series to a 6 volt battery as shown in the figure. Then the total current flowing through the circuit is. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ whose resistance 20 ohm and 4 ohm ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 20 ohm is the resistance of electric lamp plus 4 ohm is the resistance of the conductor. Total it will become 20 plus 4 24 ohms. Then what is the voltage is given? 6 volts battery ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಯಾನೆ. So current is equal to question mark. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R, that is equal to V andre 20, V andre 6 divided by I andre R andre 24. V 6 volts, R 24 ohm, 6 ones are 6 fours, that is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore current that flows through the circuit is 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25 ampere. So 0.25 ampere current flows through the circuit. So like this we have to answer 34th question. Now let us move for 35th. The right answer for 34th question is 36 ampere, 0.6 ampere, 4 ampere, 0.25 ampere. So this is the right answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ 0.25 ampere. So the right answer is option D. So option D is the right answer. So now let us move for 35th question. So the 35th question is an electric bulb is connected to a 220 volt generator. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ V is equal to 220 volts. If the current flowing in the bulb is 0.5 ampere, so I is equal to 0.5 ampere or it is equal to 1 by 2 ampere. Then the power of the bulb ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯಾನೆ. So power of the bulb is equal to question mark. So what is the relation between these three? P is equal to V into I. So P is equal to V means 220 into I means 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 0. Therefore power is equal to 110 watt. So 110 watt is the power that flows that the power of the electric bulb is 110 watt. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ 110 watt ಇದೆ. So option C 110 watt is the right answer. So now let us move for 36th question. The function of ammeter in an electric circuit is reverses the direction of the current, measures the rate of electric current, protects electrical appliances, measures the potential difference ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ the right answer is the function of ammeter in the electric circuit measures the rate of electric current. So option B is for 36. The right answer is option B. Now let us move for 37th. As the electrical resistivity of a substance increases, resistance decreases, conductivity increases, melting point decreases, resistance increases ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So as the electrical resistivity of a substance increases, so resistivity increase ಆದಂಗೆ so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. As the resistivity increases, resistance also increases. So option D, resistance increases. For 37th, option D. Now let us move for 38th question. So 38th question again it is a one numerical problem. An electric lamp, this is an electric lamp whose resistance is 30 ohm and a conductor of 6 ohm are connected in series to a 9 volt battery as shown in the figure. The total current in the circuit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 30 plus 6, that is equal to 36 ohm. Then voltage is equal to 9 volts. Then I is equal to question mark. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to V andre it is 9 volts divided by 36. So 9 ones are 9 fours. So I is equal to 0.1 by 4 andre 0.25 ampere. So the current that flows through the circuit is option C ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ 0.25 ampere. Option C is the right answer for 38th question. Now let us move for 39th question. The metal used in the filament of an electric bulb is manganese, tungsten, nickel, chromium. The right answer is option B, that is tungsten. So option B, tungsten. So now let us move for 40th question. So ohm is the SI unit of electric potential, potential difference, resistance, electric current, electric charge. The right answer is, that is option B, resistance. So for 40th question, the right answer is option B, resistance. Now let us move for sorry ನಾನು 41st ಇದು 41st ಇದು. ಸೊ 40th ನಾನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ 40th ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 40th ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಎ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 40th. ಸೊ 41st ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 42ndಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಲೈಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದೇನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ, ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ. ಸೊ ಈ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಸ್ದು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ 1.33 ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ 1.33ನೇ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟಿನ ಸ್ಪೀಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 42nd, ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ 42nd question, option C, yes is the right answer. Now let us move for 43rd question. So 43rd question higide, the SI unit of electric potential difference is volt, ampere, ohm, coulomb. So the right answer is option A, volt. So volt is the SI unit. So for 43rd, option A, volt is the answer. Now let us move for 44th question. The 44th question is, the resistance of an electric heater is 110 ohm. The electric current that an electric heater draws from a 220 volt source is, resistance given, voltage is given. Now we have to calculate the current. So what is the resistance? 110 ohm. R is equal to 110 ohm. Then voltage is equal to 220 volts. Then I is equal to question mark. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to 220 divided by R is 110. 1s are 2s. So I is equal to 2 ampere. So the right answer for 44th is option C, that is 2 ampere. So option C, 2 ampere is the right answer. So now let us move for 45th question. The 45th question is, a device that is connected in series in an electric circuit is voltmeter, bar magnet, turbine, ammeter. So the right answer is option D, ammeter. Ammeter is always connected in series. So the right answer is option D, that is ammeter. Now let us move for 46th question. So 46th question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, observe the following table. K, L, M, N are the material and their resistivity is given. The best conductor of the electricity among these material. ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಯಾರ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವನು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 1.60 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್? ಎಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನು? ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಟು ದ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್. Therefore, the right answer for 46th is option B, M material. Now let us move for 47th question. So 47th question higide, an electric motor takes 5 ampere from 220 volt electric source, then the power of the motor is dash anta kottidane. So current given, voltage given, let us find out the power. So current is given as 5 ampere. So I is equal to 5 ampere, voltage is equal to 220 volts, then power is equal to question mark. The relation among these three is P is equal to V into I. So P is equal to 220 into I. So P is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11. So 1100 watt is the right answer for 47th question. Agar 1100 watt illide, it is option A. So for 47th question, the right answer is option A, 1100 watt. So now let us move for 48th question. What is electric circuit anta kottidane? So it is an 1 marks question. So electric circuit is defined as the path through which electric current flows. The path through which electric current flows is called electric circuit. So this is the answer for electric circuit. So now let us move for 49th question. So in the 49th question, one numerical is given. Now let us answer that numerical question. So this is 49th question. So the numerical is as follows. An electric lamp whose resistance is 40 ohm and a conductor of 8 ohm resistance are connected in series to 12 volt battery in an electric circuit. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit and the total current through the circuit. So ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಸೀರೀಸಾಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 40 ಓಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ 8 ಓಮ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 40 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 48 ಓಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. This is the total circuit resistance. It is connected in series to 12 volts battery ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 48 ಓಮ್. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 48 ಓಮ್, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12 volts. Now we have to calculate what is the current, total current that flows through the circuit. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V ಅಂದರೆ 12, R ಅಂದರೆ 48, 12 ones are 12 fours. So the current that flows through the circuit is 1/4 ampere or ಕಾಲ್ ಭಾಗ ಅಥವಾ 1/4 ಅಂದರೆ it is 0.25 ampere. So this much of current will flows through the circuit. Next, coming to 50th question, what is electric potential difference? What is the SI unit of potential difference? Name the device used to measure the potential difference ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ 50th ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ the amount of work done in bringing a unit charge from one point to another. ಒಂದಾಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್? SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. So name the device used to measure the potential difference. So potential difference is measured by using an instrument called voltmeter. So now let us move for 51st question. The 51st question is, the device used to produce electricity is galvanometer, electric generator, ammeter, electric motor. So the right answer is electric generator. So for 51st question, the right answer is option B, generator. So generator is used to generate electricity. Then coming to 52nd question. So in the 52nd question, the correct formula that shows the relationship between the potential difference, electric current and the resistance in an electric circuit ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. So I is equal to R by V is equal to I by R, I is equal to VR and R is equal to V by I. The correct relation is option D, R is equal to V by I. That is the right answer. So for 52nd question, option D, R is equal to V by I is the right answer. So now let us move for 53rd question. So 53rd question higide. 53rd question. Draw the schematic diagram of electric circuit comprising electric cell, electric bulb, ammeter and plug key ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಲ್ಬು, ಅಮ್ಮೀಟರು, ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಕೀ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್, this is bulb, then this is cell, then this is plug key and this is ammeter. So this is the direction of the current. So like this we have to write one simple circuit. Now let us move for 54th question. So 54th question nalli, so what are the advantages of connecting electrical devices in parallel in an electric circuit instead of connecting them in series? Idu modane question. Ernedu, how are ammeter and voltmeter is connected in electric circuit? What are their function anta ide. So now let us answer these two questions. First let us answer how what are the advantages of parallel connection over series connection. In parallel connection, if one appliance fails to work, others are not affected. Current will be divided so that each appliance will get required amount of current. Voltage will be same, therefore each appliances will get the same voltage. And when we connect the electric circuit in parallel, the resistance decreases. So these are the four advantages of parallel connection over series connection. ಸೊ ಇದು 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಒಂದಾಯಿತು. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಅಮ್ಮೀಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಅಮ್ಮೀಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಹೌ ಆರ್ ದ ಅಮ್ಮೀಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. So ammeter is always connected in series and the function of ammeter is it is a device used to measure the amount of current in the circuit. Then voltmeter is always connected in parallel. The function of voltmeter is it is a device used to measure the voltage. So this is the answer for 54th question. Now let us move for 55th question. So 55th question higide. The SI unit of resistivity is dash anta kottidane. So the SI unit of resistivity is option D, ohm meter. So for 55th question, the right answer is option D, that is ohm meter. Ohm meter is the SI unit of electrical resistivity. Now let us move for 56th question. What are the reasons for occurring overload in a electric circuit? So electric circuit ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ what are the reasons for occurring overload in an electric circuit? ಇದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ connecting too many appliances to a single socket. Connecting too many appliances to a single socket. This is the first reason why the overload occurs. ಎರಡನೇದು due to sudden hike in voltage. Due to sudden hike in voltage is the second reason for overloading. So now let us move for 57th question. So 57th question higide. An electric bulb with a resistance 50 ohm is connected to a 12 volt battery in an electric circuit. Okay. Calculate the electric current flowing through the electric bulb and electric power of the bulb ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯಾನೆ. For resistance 50 ohm ಇದೆ, voltage 10 volts ಇದೆ. So first current find out ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಂತರ let us calculate power. So let us find out both of them. So what is the resistance is given? So resistance is given as 50 ohm and voltage is given as 10 volts. Now you calculate the current. So I is equal to V by R according to Ohm's law. I is equal to V andre 10, R andre 50. So 10 ones are 10 5s are, that is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2 ampere. So 0.2 ampere of current that flows through the circuit. Now we have to calculate power na calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So power is equal to V square by R. So power is equal to V square andre 10 into 10 divided by R is 50. 10 ones are 10 5s are, 5 ones are 5 2s are. So power is equal to 2 watt. So 2 watt is the power. What is the power of the circuit? Power of the bulb. So power of the bulb is 2 watt. So like this we have to calculate what is the power of the bulb. So now let us move for 58, and this is the last question of previous year question paper of chapter electricity. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್. mention any two devices that works on the application of this law. Why ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, why are the alloys like nichrome used in electrical heating devices? ಎರಡು. So next ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. So now let us answer these questions. So state Joule's law of heating effect ಅಂತ. So Joule's law ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Heat produced in a conductor is proportional to square of current, resistance and time for which current flows. According to Joule's law, H is equal to I square RT. Next ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ ದೋಸ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಆರ್, ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ bulb, then second one electric fuse. Next, why are the alloys like nichrome used in electrical heating devices ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ, ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಬರೆಯೋಣ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ nichrome has high resistivity. ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ nichrome has high resistivity. ಎರಡನೇದು, it will not oxidize easily at high temperature. It will not oxidize easily at high temperature. Then it has high melting point. So these are the three reasons that you can write why nichrome is used as an electrical heating devices anta ide. So for that one, nichrome has a high resistivity, it will not oxidize easily at high temperature, and it has high melting point. So now let us move for the next last question. State Ohm's law. ಒಂದು, in domestic electric circuit, electrical appliances are not connected in series. Why? Write the factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. So now let us answer it one by one. First ಗೆ Ohm's law ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. Ohm's law ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? At constant temperature, current flowing through a conductor is proportional to potential difference across its end according to Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ವೈ in domestic circuit, why we are not using series circuit, why we are using parallel circuit. So why we are not using series circuit ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ series circuit ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, so let us answer this one. Why we are not using series circuit? Because if first point, if one appliances fails to work, others also affected. ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆವು ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Then current will be same, then voltage will be divided so that some appliances fails to work, then resistance increases. Due to this, current decreases. So these are the disadvantage of series circuit. These disadvantage made not to use the series circuit in the domestic circuit. So ಇದು ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, resistance depend upon nature of material, resistance depend upon temperature of conductor. According to Ohm's law, R is equal to according to this one, R is equal to rho L by A, where R is resistance, rho is resistivity, L is length of conductor, A is area of cross section. So by this we have successfully completed. We have answered all the 58 questions related to electricity chapter of previous year question paper. In the next video we are going to answer for metals and non-metals. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, share my videos and like my videos. So thank you very much.